In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use your Wise card when traveling to Europe. Whether you're embarking on a holiday or a business trip, this guide will make using your card overseas a breeze. First things first, you'll need to have your Wise account open and ready. So, let's start by logging into your account. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the home page, which serves as your main hub for all transactions and updates. From here, let's navigate over to the card section. You'll need to click on Card to view your available options. This is where you can select the card you plan to use for making purchases while you're abroad. For online purchases, all you need are the card details. Simply copy these details for when you're making your payments at various online merchants. If you prefer a physical card, rest assured that using it is simple. When you're at a store, you can just swipe the card and it works seamlessly like any other bank card. Now, if you're planning on traveling to Europe from a different region, currency conversion might be on your mind. Fortunately, Wise has got you covered. There's no need to fret because Wise will automatically handle the currency conversion, ensuring that you can spend effortlessly in euros without any extra hassle on your part. For additional control and flexibility, you might want to consider adding another account. To do this, just click on the plus icon you'll see on the home page. When you click it, you'll be presented with two options, whether to open a balance or a jar. In this context, we'll take a closer look at opening a balance, which is particularly useful for managing frequent currency exchanges. Once you're focused on adding a balance, you'll be given the chance to select the currency you need. Here, for our purposes, we'll click on Euro. After this simple step, click Confirm. Just like that, you'll now have a Euro-denominated account within your Wise account. With your Euro account successfully set up, you're all set to go. You can add money to this account in advance, convert your existing funds readily into euros, and even send money to others as necessary. If you need to provide someone with your Euro account details, that is just a click away. Simply use the Account Details feature. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you ensure seamless transactions during your European travels. Enjoy the ease of your Wise card wherever your journey takes you, and feel confident knowing that currency barriers won't get in your way. Safe travels and happy spending.